everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome to another video. So today I'm with the lovely Ariana. She's got kind of mid-length hair. This style would work on a little bit shorter and definitely longer. So we're going for a kind of easy breezy updo, but we're going to use elastics to do it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so to start this style what we're going to do is, I'm not even going to bother with any back comb today, but if you wanted to, you could put a bit of back comb in that top section here just to give a bit of extra height, but I'm not going to bother. So we're going to do 3 little ponytails. Literally just grabbing hold of a piece of hair quite loosely and popping an elastic in there. I'm then going to hold on to that ponytail, that elastic there, and just use my fingers to create texture. So just lifting up, and you can kind of decide how big you want this, how messy you want it to look. We're then going to grab another section of hair in the middle here and do the same. And then again just hold the elastic. I'm pretty sure this is one you could try on yourselves. And then again with this last section over here, do the same. And then I'm going to pick this section of hair up. Now Ariana has got some short bits here, so if they want to fall out, I'm going to let them kind of fall out, and then I can always just pin those in at the end. So don't worry if you have got some shorter layers there. I'm going to use a tiny bit of hairspray. This is like a soft hold hairspray, so you can work with it. It's not going to be sticky. Just moving the hair in the direction. We want this hair to come this way. So I'm not going to put my bobble in down here like that. I'm going to move the hair across first and then put my elastic in. And then we're bringing this section over to cover these 3 ponytails, and then we're just going to pin that section across like that. Little bit more spray guys, just to make sure that these don't fall down, these little shorter bits here. And then again we're going to do that same technique of holding onto that elastic and just teasing this hair. And then again on this side guys, a little bit of spray just to help with the control of the hair. Sweeping it with your fingers this way now. And then we're going to put a little elastic in this side. Now you could do this style without using elastics, but it's just so fast this way, and it means the hair is so much more secure when you're like pinning it up. So I'm going to place this one sort of underneath there. So I'm just going to bring it around and pin it just underneath. And then again guys, just hold on to that elastic. I've got to be careful here because Ariana has got quite short bits, but if you've got longer hair here, you can really pull at it. Okay, next elastic guys is going to be this little section here. I kind of want the style coming slightly to the right, but you can just keep it to the back if you wanted to. So I'm just taking this section loosely. Again, you kind of want to bring your sections where that hair is going to be pinned. So I am just going to bring it slightly to the right. And then I'm picking up that ponytail and I'm just going to pin it about here. And then you guessed it guys, so always make sure that you take the tension with one hand. Don't just start pulling it because it will start to come undone. So hold with one hand, with the other hand, just start to tease that hair out. So again, we're grabbing another piece of hair, another elastic. Can you tell that I like using elastics guys? I just feel like it's a really easy way to style the hair. And then we're just going to pin that one here. And then on this last bit guys, I'm not going to put an elastic in. I'm just going to kind of grab hold of it and just place it there. Do some pinning and then pin this bit up. So holding it there, Okay, so that's my updo using elastics. I'm just going to do a little spin for you. So I hope you enjoyed my video, guys, and I will be back with you next Wednesday for another tutorial. Bye!